Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss more Click Google Sheets tips. Today, I'm going to show you how to make cells bigger in Google Sheets. Perfect for improving readability and organizing your data so it looks clean and professional. First, sign into Google Sheets with your Google account. Once you're in, open the spreadsheet you want to work on. If you can't find it right away, try checking your Google Drive or using the search bar at the top. Let's start by adjusting column width. Move your cursor to the line between two column letters at the top. When the cursor changes to a double-headed arrow, click and hold, then drag the line to the right to widen the column. Release when it's the size you want. Repeat this for any other columns that need more space. Now, let's make the rows taller. Move your cursor to the line between two row numbers on the left. When the double-headed arrow appears, click and hold, then drag downward to increase the height. Release when you're happy with the size. You can repeat this for multiple rows. And that's it. You now know how to adjust both column width and row height in Google Sheets to make your data easier to read and more visually appealing.